Nice black C6Z. What do you got going on with this thing?
Dude, this would be sick if this
had our stage 4 package on it. I think those started like 7 years ago or something. But the guy wants to use it for road racing now, and I guess there's certain stipulations and rules, so he has to go bring it back to stock with the exception of an air intake. So headers are coming off, it's got stock manifolds, stock intake manifold. We're switching to a Haltech. I had a Veram on it. But other than that, stock cam back in it. So
this one's gonna hurt to watch.
yeah, he's gonna feel the difference.
Yeah, just a little bit.
But
I don't know how I feel about this one. This is the first time you ever done something like this? Back to stock? Yeah. God, it's so weird. A lot of work, a lot of money.
yep, here it is.
How much progress have you made?
Cannons are back in, manifolds are back in. I'm still waiting on the next pipe, so.
Don't forget to show him the 100 shot of nitrous that's hidden under the passenger seat.
Let's just put all the water pump belt drive stuff back on it. You gotta put the shroud back on it, radiator and all that stuff. So just a bunch of little stuff.
So it's pretty much almost done.
Pretty much.
You got the main part out of the way. Cam's probably the most work.
Yeah, it's annoying.
Yeah, that's very annoying. And the exhaust, the stock manifolds. Yikes.
Threw the stockpile in it until you can start it.
What do you think it'll make? 530? 530?
We've done, well, actually, no, this doesn't even have headers on it, does it?
No, factory. With cats.
We've done a couple of them, like heads, headers, and a Haltech, and they make like 530. So I'm gonna go like 510, maybe.
I'll say 518.
Right, this is a C6Z that we did heads and cam on, I don't know, however long ago. And I guess he's road racing it now. And whatever class he's running needs it to like not be as modified as it was. So it just has fixed heads and a Haltech. Other than that, it's pretty much stock. We put stock cam back in it. Stock manifolds, cats, and everything. So it's like a little demod. So this one will make like negative 150 horsepower. So let's check it. Good, 539 is way more than I thought it would make. Does have a clutch in it too. Oh crap. Yeah, it does have a clutch in it too, so.
That's impressive.
Yeah, that's really impressive.
Wow. It's a healthy car, I guess.
It is healthy. It's got 90 pounds of oil pressure. It's definitely healthy. I don't know how many miles are on it, but it's only 10,000 miles. And it's a 2013, so. The 2013 seats are so nice.
They are.
It's like so much nicer than the earlier ones. I think these are 11 and up, or 12 and up maybe?
I think
12 and up. Yeah, I think 12 and 13.
I really like the C7 comp seats in these.
Yeah.
You see the guys doing that?
Yeah.
That's like the perfect mixture.
I mean, I'll probably just do one more pull in this thing and then let it cool down. Not that it's even hot, but it's about lunchtime and the tune is pretty much dead on.
But that other head scan car only made 530.
Yeah, right? Made 630 when it left here. Yep. Nothing's wrong though. All right, we'll be back. All right, let this thing cool down over lunch. I don't know if it's really going to pick up any more power, but we'll see. I mean, it already made crazy power, honestly, for heads in a Haltech. And I think it has. We did a clutch in it last time it was here. I'm 90% sure because it feels like I think it's got a clutch in it. Oh, it does also have a Corsa X pipe on it. Forgot we did that too. We put the stock manifolds and cats on and put a Corsa X pipe on it. Oh, what is... I'm just gonna make one more. Either way, peak number that it made before lunch was 541, 512, which is killer for a heads only, really. Heads in a Haltech and the Corsa X pipe. Solid combo, except this guy wants to road race it or something, I guess, and I guess you're not allowed to either have the mods he did or not allowed to have so much power for whatever it is. We demodded it, kept some mods, changed some stuff. that's that. Later.